In today's video, I'm going to share an amazing AI tool with you that can help you create long videos for free. Yes, you heard that right. You can turn simple images into full videos without paying anything. If you've ever wanted to make videos but didn't know where to start, or you thought it was too expensive, then this video is for you. I'll show you which AI tool I'm using, how it works, and step by step how you can use it for free. Okay, so first of all, go to Chrome and search for Renderforest AI. Open the very first website that appears in the results. Once the website opens, you'll see a Sign In option at the top. Click on that. Now, if you don't have an account, click on Don't Have an Account? Sign up. Here, you have two options. You can either continue with Google, or sign up using your email. I'm going to choose Sign Up with Email. Now, enter your first name, last name, email, and password. For this tutorial, I'm using a temporary email, temp mail. So, open a new tab in Chrome and search for temp mail. Copy the email from there and paste it here. For the name, I'm just entering ABC, but you can enter your real name. Then, create a password and click on Sign Up. After that, go back to the Temp Mail tab. You will receive a verification email from Renderforest. Open it and click on Verify Email. As soon as you verify your email, you'll be redirected to the Renderforest login page. Now, enter the same email and password, and click on Login. Once you log in, your account will be successfully created. And you'll see an interface like this. Now, click on the plus icon, and select New Project. Then choose Image to Video. A new tab will open. Here, first select the model. You'll see that Renderforest Fast Model is free, while the others are paid. Next, choose the video duration. You can create videos up to 10 seconds. But I'll keep it at 5 seconds. Then select the aspect ratio, which is 16:9. And for resolution, choose 720p or 480p, both are free. 1080p is paid. Now, in the start frame, upload an image. This image should match the type of video you want to create. After that, go to the prompt box and enter your prompt. I'm writing a simple prompt. Girl slowly walking in a beautiful nature scene with wind in the background. Keep the duration at 5 seconds and resolution at 720p. Now, if you look here, generating a 5-second video will use only 7 credits. And you get around 20 to 40 credits for free. That means you can create multiple videos with one account. Now click on Generate, and your video will start generating. If you want, you can also add the next scene right after this. Simply upload another image, add a new prompt, and continue. For example, for the next scene, I used the same image, but changed the prompt to Girl sitting on grass in a beautiful nature scene with wind in the background. This way, you can create multiple scenes and combine them into a longer video. Now the video is ready. You can play it. And you'll notice it even includes background sound automatically. If you want, you can export a single 5-second clip. Or continue adding more scenes to build a longer video. So, this is how you can use Renderforest AI to create long videos. And yes, you can use temp mail to get extra credits if needed. I hope this video was helpful for you, smile. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this.